Welcome dear 4th standard children. I will be taking GK for you. So all take out your GK textbook. You have finished lesson till a mix up. Today I will take the next lesson, that is think green. So all take page number 188 in your textbook. Page number 188. Read the situations and tick the correct answers. First question. Tia's papa is worried about the rising electricity bill. Tia should request him to. Two answers are given there. First one, buy CFL bulbs for the house. B, use candles in the house. So which will be the correct answer? A, buy CFL bulbs for the house. So you have to tick the correct answer. Second one, grandma is going to the market to buy some fruits and vegetables. She should get the fruits and vegetables from shops in plastic bags. Carry a cloth bag with her. So the correct answer is B. That is, when you go to buy vegetables or fruits, you have to carry cloth bag. So B is the correct answer. John and his friends have gone to a picnic. They should. Two answers. Collect the rubbish in a trash bag to be dumped in a dustbin later. Leave the picnic spot dirty. So the correct answer is A. Collect the rubbish in a trash bag to be dumped in a dustbin later. ബാഗിലെല്ലാം കളക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പിന്നെ ഡസ്റ്റ്ബിനിൽ ഇടാൻ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. റുബീന ഹാസ് സം ഓൾഡ് കാർഡ്ബോർഡ് ബോക്സസ്. ഷീ ഷുഡ് ത്രോ ദി കാർഡ്ബോർഡ് ബോക്സസ് എവേ. യൂസ് ദി കാർഡ്ബോർഡ് ബോക്സസ് ടു കീപ്പ് her toys. So what you have to do? Use the cardboard boxes to keep the toys. So B. Fifth question. Mohan saw a leaking tap in his school. He should inform the class teacher about the leaking tap. Not bother. ടീച്ചറെ അറിയിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒന്നും പറയാതെ ഒന്നും ബോദർ ചെയ്യാതെ ഇരിക്കുക. So which is the correct answer? A. Inform the class teacher about the leaking tap. ലീക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടാപ്പിനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്. Paranjit wants to write a diary. He should ask his parents for a new notebook. Use old notebooks. So B is the correct answer. Use old notebooks. Seventh question. Bella's car is waiting at the traffic signal to turn green. She should request her parents to turn off the car engine. Keep quiet about it. A is the correct answer. Request her parents to turn off the car engine. Once more I will tell the answers. First one, A. Buy CFL bulbs for the house. Understood? Electricity bill കൂടി കിടക്കുകയാണ്. So request ചെയ്യാം. Second one, B. Carry a cloth bag with her. Third, A is the correct answer. Collect the rubbish in a trash bag to be dumped in a dustbin later. Fourth question, B is the correct answer. Use the cardboard boxes to keep her toys. Fifth one, A. Inform the class teacher about the leaking tap. Sixth one, Paranjit wants to write a diary. What he should do? Use old notebooks. Seventh one, Bella's car is waiting at the traffic signal to turn green. She should request her parents to turn off the car engine. Then one more question is there. There was a lot of food left at Rohan's birthday party. He should request his parents. Two answers are there. You can write any one of it. That is, give away the food to those who need it. or else donate the food to a food bank. Any one of the answer you can write. Understood? So put a tick mark for all these answers. Now one fact wise is there, that is India's first food bank was established in June 2012. People can donate grains, pulses, oil, spices or cooked food that has been left over a party. ബാക്കി വരുന്ന ഈ ഭക്ഷണങ്ങളെല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഫുഡ് ബാങ്കിൽ കൊടുക്കാം. And that first food bank was established in June 2012. Now next, care for the environment. Collect rainwater. Use it to water the plants in your garden. Walk or cycle to nearby places. Say no to firecrackers. Buy something only if you really need it. Collect rainwater. മഴവെള്ളം കളക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പ്ലാന്റ്സിനൊക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. വാക്ക് ഓർ സൈക്കിൾ ടു നിയർ ബൈ പ്ലേസസ്. ഒന്നിക്കൽ സൈക്കിളിൽ പോവുക അല്ലെ നടന്നു പോവുക അടുത്തുള്ള സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലും. ഫയർ ക്രാക്കേഴ്സ് ഒന്നും യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. എന്തെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം വാങ്ങാം. ബൈ സംതിങ് ഓൺലി ഇഫ് യു നീഡ് ഇറ്റ്. So put tick mark for all these answers and learn these answers well. Again 2 more lessons are there for you. After the school reopens, I will be taking that 2 lessons. Till then, bye.